Hello maths teachers. In this video I'll show you some free online platforms which you can use in your classroom, online classrooms rather. So the first one is Graspable Math. So you can type Graspable Math. Make sure you type correctly. So Graspable Math, click on it. There are two important things what you can do. You can prepare some activities on it, but that's a secondary. Once you have to learn algebra online first. Okay, so I'm going to press this explore algebra. You can learn it. Actually there are many YouTube videos, so this is actually very good to show. Like in PowerPoint you have to press again and again and you can't show each and everything, but here it's very useful. So these are some good options here for you: insert, transform, keypad, scrub, draw, erase, arrange, etc. These are for your settings: new, save, load, share, or login. You can log in if you want to save your work. So for example, I'm here to start my lesson and I say, okay guys, let's learn adding fractions. Okay, so I'm done. I will arrange it, put it on one side, and then I will go insert math expression. Math expression, let's say I want to just first show to my students how to add or how to use this platform, or you can use this platform how. So let's say 4 plus 5 minus 6. I have very simple expression with me. Guys, you need to press these buttons, plus or minus, to have these mathematical operations done. So 4 plus 5 done, 9 minus 6 done. And then you drag it. That's the beauty of this platform. You drag this circle here, you will see all steps involved. Okay, that was very basic, so I will erase it. Okay, let me show you some algebra. Okay, 3x times x minus 4. You want to multiply this. Okay, make it smaller. You can arrange it if you want to put on one side. It's okay. Press transform. So some of the operations needs double tap, some they don't need, just single tap. For example, you can tap it here, nothing will happen if you tap single times. See, try to double tap, it will show you. So I need to double tap here. I will double tap. Look, my x is distributed inside, and then again you can double type, and then 3x squared plus minus 12x. You can drag it to show all these steps. That's what we do in PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so here you don't need anything, just use this platform, it's free of cost. Let's arrange it. Let me show you one more feature. There is one feature here, formulas. Okay, for formulas you can use quadratic, factorization, etc. But remember, your expressions, what you type, should be in the same format. So let's solve one quadratic. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Done. Okay, you can arrange it if you want. You can put it on one side, press transform, go to formulas. What I will do, I will drag it one more time so that we can have questions. We can see the statement. Okay, here formula, drag, here it's written drag one side of the formula to the highlighted. So I will drag it and I will just click it here. See, according to the formula, all these values of a, b and c are distributed. Okay, and you can see it like this. Now you press it here, of course there are two operations, so you can press it again and again. 25 minus 24. Okay, now you know what is square root of 1, just press it. Now there are two answers, you press double. See, both answers are visible here, and you can keep on doing it. Okay, so I'll suggest please explore this. There are help feature here, so you can learn from it. Okay, and for example, if you have one expression you want to change it, so you press it here the keypad will appear and you can make some additions. Let me show you very good feature of this. There's one button here, scrub. This scrub will help you to change your equation, and your every expression whatever you have calculated will change automatically. For example, I want to change this 6. So if you drag upside, it will increase. If you drag down, it will decrease. Look, my every value is changing. So that's the beauty. You can ask students, okay, if I don't want to get this perfect square, what should my number 5, 6, whatever. So that's really good. You can prepare some activities on it. Okay, I can show you that. You can insert YouTube videos. You can have graphing. Maybe later I can show you. The second thing I want to show you, this is for all teachers, Edpuzzle. It's free of cost. Okay, so you need to log in. Okay, for example, let me log in as a teacher or as a student. You can share the link with your students. So for example, I have Google, sign in with Google, whatever. I need to just use my own account, which I'm going to use. Okay. So this platform is useful. It's better than YouTube videos. Okay, you don't need to just show YouTube videos. What you can do, that's really good here. Look, you can search your content. Okay, for example, factorization. So videos from YouTube will appear. Even your videos can appear here if you have uploaded your videos. You can search from YouTube itself. Okay, so for example, I have this video here. I will insert here. What is the beauty? Why I was saying this is better than YouTube? Because we can insert questions. Okay, if you play it, so you can press edit or copy. It depends. Math video from. So for example, I want to edit it. So I'll press edit. So you can voice over. You can add questions. You can cut, or you don't need to show all 15-minute video or 20-minute video. Just cut short it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So what is the beauty here? For example, I'm here. Okay, I will pause it and go to the questions. And then you can add questions here, note, open-ended question, multiple choice questions. You can type math questions here. For example, what is x squared minus 4 factorization? So students will enter answers here, and then once students will try this question, then only video will continue. If students wants to skip this question, that's not going to happen. That's the beauty. This way you can track students who has watched that particular video, how many questions he has solved, or he cannot skip the video. Okay, so you can track their performance. That's the beauty of this platform. You can explore it. There are like many videos online for you to help. Next is for assessment. This is very nice, Quizizz. It's free of cost again, so I can sign up or just log in with my user school ID or whatever, with my Google ID. Just use your Gmail account. So this is my teacher's account. Okay, students, they don't need to enter this. They can have apps, or just they go online and they can play this quiz. It's not like Kahoot. Okay, it's better than Kahoot. For example, let's say we can search, and it's for many subjects: science, social science, maths, etc. For example, I'm learning quadratics. Okay, so I can have different, you can see questions from here. You can see questions, you can go and search, choose, and you can assign these quizzes as homework. or you can play live, or you can just ask them to practice. You need to share them actually. See, there's a share button. So this is, and you can track students' performance here. See, reports. This is really useful. So for example, I played 4 days ago one quiz with my students, 76% accuracy. It was a live, so I can see my students' performance, who did how many questions wrong, etc. So that's what actually you can do. There are many things I want to tell you, but then video will be longer. So try, use them. First of all, it was let me type here so that you will remember, Graspable Math, and second one was Edpuzzle. Third is Quizizz. Thank you.